Hi, today I'm going to check out ways to balance a lawnmower blade without special tools. First method of balancing with a nail. We take a nail and hammer it into the board. Then we check the balance of our knife. The knife stands horizontally. The knife seems to be balanced. But it's not. Let's try a thinner nail. Nothing has changed. Let's try something even more subtle, like a needle. It's better, but not perfect. Now let's try the balancing method using a kitchen knife blade. Mark the center of the knife for better balance. This method is much better than the previous one. The knife falls to one side. Let's mark this side. Now I will show you the best and easiest method of balancing lawnmower blades. Take a metal stud and thread it through the center hole. Put the knife between two bricks. The labeled side bowed very quickly. Now you need to sharpen the knife by removing excess metal from the marked side of the knife. Checking the balance again. The knife is balanced and can cut grass with ease. What method of balancing a knife do you know? Share in the comments and subscribe to the channel.